Hey there, zombie hunters and hack and slash fans. Today we're diving into Lollipop Chainsaw RePOP, a remake of the cult classic action game, Lollipop Chainsaw. Here's the story behind this zombie-slaying adventure, its history, performance on the Steamdeck, and my rating for this revived title. Lollipop Chainsaw RePOP deserves a 7.5 out of 10 for its unique humor, over-the-top action, and nostalgia for fans of the original. While it may not offer much new gameplay-wise, the updated visuals and smooth performance make it a fun, high-energy experience. In Lollipop Chainsaw RePOP, you step into the shoes of Juliet Starling, a high school cheerleader who wields a chainsaw and has a knack for zombie slaying. Juliet is just about to celebrate her 18th birthday when her high school is overrun by a zombie apocalypse. Armed with her trusty chainsaw, and joined by the decapitated, yet magically animated head of her boyfriend, Nick. Yes, really. Juliet sets out to rid the school of the undead menace. The game takes you through several outlandish levels, each filled with hordes of zombies, quirky bosses, and Juliet's witty, irreverent commentary. She battles through high school hallways, an arcade-themed nightmare, and other creatively apocalyptic settings, ultimately discovering that dark forces are behind the outbreak. With her eccentric family's help and her chainsaw acrobatics, Juliet faces off against increasingly tough and bizarre zombie bosses to save the day in style. Lollipop Chainsaw was first released in 2012 and quickly became a cult favorite due to its quirky mix of hack-and-slash gameplay, tongue-in-cheek humor, and campy horror elements. Directed by Suda51 and written by Guardians of the Galaxy director James Gunn, the game stood out with its irreverent approach and B-movie aesthetic, combining horror, action, and comedy in a way that hadn't been done before. Lollipop Chainsaw RePOP aims to bring this cult classic to a new generation with modernized graphics, smoother controls, and some quality-of-life updates. Fans of the original will find plenty to love here, as the remake preserves the quirky charm and ridiculousness that made it a fan favorite, while newcomers can enjoy the absurd premise and fast-paced gameplay in an upgraded format. The Steamdeck does a great job with Lollipop Chainsaw RePOP, providing stable performance and good visuals. On medium settings, the game holds a stable 50 to 60 FPS, even during busy action scenes with lots of zombies on screen. Lowering settings slightly in particularly intense scenes helps maintain smoother frame rates, especially if you want to lock it closer to 60 FPS. The colorful visuals, comic-style gore, and dynamic environments shine on the Steamdeck's 800p display. Even though it's a remake, the art style retains its playful, cartoonish aesthetic, which looks fantastic on a smaller screen. Final thoughts. Lollipop Chainsaw RePOP on the Steamdeck is a fun and nostalgic experience, perfect for fans of over-the-top action with a darkly humorous twist. With stable FPS, vibrant graphics, and responsive controls, the Steamdeck provides an ideal platform for enjoying Juliet's unique zombie-slaying journey. If you're a fan of quirky, campy horror action games, this remake is worth picking up for both the nostalgia factor and its fresh, updated look. Happy zombie slaying, and remember, stay fabulous in the apocalypse.
Just don't move. I'll take care of him. No big whoop.
on! Get away from me!
Hold on, I'm coming!
My favorite president is Warren G. Harding. Fuck off! Get away!
It's so rad to save somebody's life.